Whether you are just getting started paddling out using Wakelet for personal use or pro surfing those waves by collaborating with Wakelet, I would highly recommend getting and installing the Wakelet extension for your Chrome browser. Once you've added the Wakelet extension, make sure that you sign in using your Wakelet account, your ECSD, email, and password. And then any website you visit, you can simply click on that Wakelet W, the icon for the extension, and notice that you can save this website or any other website to your Wakelet bookmarks, or even add to an existing collection. Or notice at the bottom here, you can even create a new collection on the fly. Another thing you can do is give Wakelet access to open in a new tab. So every time you open a new tab in your Chrome browser, you can quickly view your collections, your group collections, and any open tabs will collect along the right-hand side. And notice along the bottom, you can click this button here to create a collection out of all of these open tabs. This is so incredibly handy if you are planning a unit or gathering resources for a topic or a chapter in your subject area, and you have a variety of tabs open to various articles, maybe YouTube videos, and other resources that all relate to that area of focus. You could simply come down to the very bottom here and say create collection with the tabs and give that collection a name and add it to your private collections to then decide whether you're going to share it out or keep it private or even make it public. To install the Wakelet extension, make sure that first of all you are signed in to your Chrome browser with your ECSD email and password. And then over here in the far left corner, click on the Apps waffle and go to the web store. You're then going to search the store for Wakelet, and you will see that Wakelet extension. Click on that, and I already have it installed, so I do not see the Add to Chrome button. You will see the Add to Chrome button. You just simply click it and give it permission, and then of course you will be prompted to log in to your Wakelet account.